Hello, my name is Bram and today I will be continuing the build of this ultra large format camera. This is a digital camera obscura. I don't have a back yet, as you can see. That will come later. But today I will be mounting the digital part onto this camera. So, as you can see, the main taking lens here, a beautiful Petzval made by Charles Corn from Paris. This is roughly from 1865 and yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. This is the lens that will create a projection. And in a digital camera obscura, we will need to take a digital picture of the projection that this lens makes. So the digital camera will be using this Pentax 645 lens, 35 millimeters. And I've created this hole to look through so we can image the projection. And this is sized to 80 millimeters for this lens. Now there is a trick we have to do, because if we're taking a picture and we're sitting above the main lens, we're photographing too high. We can't really angle it because we would get keystone distortion. So the trick here is to use lens shift. So let me demonstrate. Where's the button? This button here. We can shift this, the camera sits here, and because it's shifted down, we will not be taking a picture of this part, but mainly below this lens. How are we gonna mount lens and camera here up top? We will need a little shelf for the camera to sit on, and today I will be installing this shelf. For the shelf, I've used my 3D printer and I've got two brackets here, and the shelf itself goes below it. Okay, so now we have a little shelf so we can dock the digital camera. I'll be using a Fuji GFX 50R. It's a very expensive digital camera. We never want it falling out of this dock. So I've created also 3D printed a little clamp. We can clamp the camera in place. So yeah, another step done for this camera. Abracam version 2, stainless steel. I've got stainless steel coming in from back east for the back, and I will put white vinyl on it so we can project onto a white screen and take pictures of the absolutely gorgeous projection that this Charles Corn Petzval is gonna make for us. So yeah, I'm excited. Subscribe if you want to see the final result when I get the back on and get the first pictures. And until then, thank you for watching.